What's up guys, Steven here from Neptune Design, and I wanted to tell you guys all about my new Google Ads course. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you three things. I'm going to tell you what exactly is included in this course. I'm going to tell you what makes this course different from every single other Google Ads course that you see out there, because there's a lot. And also, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm also going to let you in on a little bit of a surprise that we have going right now. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is what is the name of the course and what makes it different to the other courses out there. So the name of the course is Profitable CPC, and basically in Profitable CPC, we're going to teach you everything that the other courses out there are not teaching you. We're going to teach you how to make your Google Ads profitable. But the main mistake that I see out there, or the main mistake that I see people having, or the main, I say mistake, I shouldn't say mistake. The main problem that I have with the courses that are out there is they tell you how to do everything, okay? They tell you how to set up your search ads, they tell you how to set up your text ads, they tell you how to set up your display ads and all of that good stuff over there. So knowledge, plenty of courses on Skillshare, on Udemy, on YouTube. There's plenty of Google Ads courses that are packed with knowledge and you can learn a lot from them. What they don't do is they don't tell you when to use the right settings. For example, when do you use maximize conversions or when do you use maximize clicks? Should you start your campaigns with manual CPC, or when should you change your budget? Should you start off with a big budget and try and spend as much money as possible to get as much data as possible? Or should you start small and kind of work your way up to spending a lot with a daily budget? And there's a lot of courses out there that don't give you this information. And I've been teaching people from all over the world for the past 2 years, and I get the common questions, and these are usually the things that the people that I teach get stuck with. And many of them are business owners, many of them are new to Google Ads, so they kind of don't have the time to figure out all of this stuff, you know. They just want good, reliable knowledge, and they want to apply it to their own business so that they can start making money off their ads. And that's basically what we're going to be doing with Profitable PPC. Now, let me tell you what's included in this course. We've got 5 hours of video content, and it's structured in such a way that you can actually run your campaign, your live campaign where you're spending money on your own ads. You can run your campaign and you can learn from the course every single day. So we've basically got your first 28 days of your live campaign plotted out for you. So we're gonna tell you, day 1, you're gonna do this. Day 2, you're gonna be focusing on this. Day 3, we're gonna teach you a little bit about this. And we're gonna go on and on and on and on. And my favorite part is there's even a part where we deal with Google Ad reps. We talk about Google's account recommendation, if you should increase your budget. So we're really gonna take you step by step through running your campaign, and we're gonna make sure that by the end of those 28 days, your ads are gonna be profitable and your ads are going to have a plan, so that you can actually take your account somewhere. We're not just gonna dump a whole lot of knowledge on you and just say, go out there, you know how to do everything, now go and figure out the rest of it. Because I think Google Ads is a strategic game. It's something where you want somebody like me who's been doing it for 5 years over your shoulder and actually helping you make decisions as you go along and as you run your account. So that's basically what we do in Profitable PPC. I almost said CPC. PPC, Profitable PPC. Now, I promised you a surprise at the end of this video. So, if you're watching this video right now, I'm gonna put a link in the description below, and you can get $250 off the Google Ads course. So if you go to the link in the description below, you'll find it, click through, and you'll be on a page with a $250 discount already applied. And you can go and take a look at the course, take a look at the videos, take a look at the modules, and see if it's something that you'd be interested in. But all I can say is I am so excited. I am so excited because I wish I had something like this when I was starting out 5 years ago. But you live in 2021, so I guess you get to benefit from all of my knowledge that I've built up over the years. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in the class. And also, I forgot to mention this, we've got a private Facebook community as well, where you come into the private Facebook group and you can actually talk to me. We're gonna have some random live mastermind calls, so you can get one-on-one review from me, and I'm gonna look at your ads and I'm gonna tell you what I think. And also you get to meet like-minded business owners and entrepreneurs and people running Google Ads, and you get to it's kind of like a little support group where you get to say, hey guys, I've achieved this, or hey guys, I'm struggling with this, or hey guys, I'm really struggling to figure this out. So all of that is included in the course. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you haven't already, like and subscribe, and don't forget that course link in the description below. I will see you next time. Peace.